I've got a medical office building for you guys here in Menlo Park, just up the street from us. Here's the file. Go at it. See what you can do. And so we brought a robot out, and back then there were only four of us, and so all four of us showed up on the job site, ran the robot. It barely worked. I remember one time where we had like 20 minutes left to print, and then something happened and we had to reboot the system, and it took like a long time to reboot the system and get it back up and working, and everyone was like really frustrated, like, oh, we're almost done. um, but that was what we did, and we actually like produced a decent layout for them on the site. And I remember after we finished that job, we thought it was just going to be like a pilot, thank you, see you on the next job. And that project exec said, hey, you guys did a fantastic job, send me an invoice. And I was like, what's an invoice? How much should I charge you for this? Yeah, I had to Google how to create an invoice. And we had to like have a conversation about like what was a fair price for this work. And he said, oh, I think about $5,000 is about right. And I was like, oh my God, $5,000. And so we got our first check and did our first paid job. When we thought it was just going to be a pilot. But eventually, as you keep doing these pilots, you get good enough and you find the believers who actually can help you grow and take that next step.